Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate the random MAC address of your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. Okay, to do it, you gotta enter your IMEI number first, IMEI of your phone. To check it, open up the phone app and go to the keypad and type *#06 and the hashtag. In here we have our IMEI. You just gotta enter it now on our page and click on Check IMEI. As you can see, the phone has appeared. Now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks that are completely for free, so you don't need to pay for anything. And now click on MAC address generator. Now you gotta enter your MAC address. Let me show you where it's located. Open up the settings, then go to My Device, it's on the top. Keep scrolling down until you find the status. Scroll down again, and in here we have the device Wi-Fi MAC address. You just gotta enter it in the text box and then go and click Generate Random MAC Address. Keep scrolling down, and in here we have 10 random MACs. You can copy each address separately, or you can copy all of them by clicking Copy All MACs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.